Look at these massive solar panels.
They are not just power stations for the factory, but also green engines cutting down carbon emissions.
Welcome to Aibote, a leading water purifier manufacturer from China for 20 years. I'm Jin.
Guided by green, clean, eco-friendly, and safe principles, Aibote was recognized as a national green factory by the Chinese government in 2023. We strictly screen non-toxic and harmless raw materials to reduce pollution from the source. Our cutting-edge technology ensures a clean, green, and safe production line.
Every step matters.
With solar power on board, we are lowering energy consumption and sticking to our low carbon values.
Aibote believes in going green and protecting the planet. Come visit Aibote's water purifier factory and experience how green tech makes a difference.